In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a monday.com agenda template. We'll start from a blank workspace and end with a ready-to-use meeting agenda board you can customize for your team. First, open your monday.com account and head to the home area. From here, look to the left sidebar and choose workspaces. This is where your boards live and where your new agenda board will be organized, so pick the workspace that makes the most sense for your team or project. Next, click the plus icon to add something new. When the menu opens, hover over board. Instead of building from scratch, we're going to save time and use a template, so choose Start with Template. This takes you to the Template Center, which showcases ready-made boards designed for common workflows. In the Template Center, open all templates to see the full library. If you want a more curated view, you can also browse the General Templates category, which includes widely useful options. To quickly narrow it down, use the search bar and type Agenda. You'll see a few results appear. Select Meeting Agenda to open a preview of what's included. This template typically comes with helpful columns for topics, owners, time allocations, and statuses, which makes it easy to run structured on-time meetings. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will create a new board in your selected workspace using that structure. Give it a moment to load, and then you'll land on your new agenda board. Now it's time to make your edits. Start by renaming the board to reflect your meeting type, like Weekly Team Sync or Client Review. Update the groups to match how you plan to organize your sessions, maybe upcoming meetings, completed meetings, or by month. Review the columns and tailor them to your needs. You can add a date column for the meeting date, an owner column to assign each agenda item, and a status column to track whether an item is planned, in progress, or done. If you want to capture discussion details or decisions, add a long text column or use updates on each item. Populate the board with your recurring agenda topics such as announcements, metrics, blockers, and action items. Drag items into the order you want and assign time estimates to keep the meeting on track. When everything looks good, save your layout and start using it for your next meeting. You now have a consistent, repeatable agenda board that keeps everyone aligned and accountable.